guys. He will come. He's probably coming on Monday or Tuesday. So this is Foxy right here. I'm a fan of him, and I'm the Five Nights at Freddy's Club. So, hey guys, welcome back for another video. And today we are gonna be playing. Actually, we're not gonna be playing anything. This is gonna be like a different app I'm using right now. So it's 11:48. I'm sorry I didn't make a video yesterday, and I was gonna make a video yesterday, but we got a little bit busy, so we got like a friend's over or something, like, yeah. So, yeah. So, on my Instagram. So please go check that out. Well, when I do a live stream at 6:30. So, surprise. So, I'm gonna turn this camera around in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go, guys. I got my blonde hair back. This is much better than last time. It's not as yellowy.
Ya con cada canto pieza di la 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 la
Hey guys, I am back. So hopefully you enjoyed that video. Please hit the like, hit subscribe, hit the bell. If you want to see Five Nights at Freddy's videos, please comment down below, and I will be doing more videos like this one I'm making right now. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.